Hi friends, welcome to Riztec.net. Hope you enjoy our previous videos. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Today we will discuss about how to make paging on Avaya IP Office 500 v2. In order to that, we have to make two simple steps for that. First step, we have to go to group. Inside in this group, we have to make a new group for paging. Right click on your mouse, select new, and then we will give the name as paging and then the extension number 899. I'm giving 899 and then go to edit, select the extension by double clicking on extension number 201, 202, 204 and then OK. Now I select 4 extension for paging 200, 201, 202 and 204 and then click OK and your group is ready as paging with extension number 899. The second step for paging is go to shortcodes, create a new shortcode for paging. For that, right click on your mouse, select new, then the shortcode will be *60 and then dial paging. Select the dial paging option from the selection panel and then you have to give the extension number 899 which we created before as our group for paging. Now my shortcode is ready as code *60, feature is dial paging and extension number, telephone number is 899. To confirm that, go to group again. You can see here 899 as my paging group. Then make your configuration save and make live by clicking on save configuration file icon from the panel and then click OK. Remember, this feature is also a mergeable program. The system will not ask for a reboot. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.